Living off-grid doesn't have to mean losing the luxury of your electronic devices, no matter how large or small. Well, most household devices require 120-volt AC power to operate. Some devices, such as a stove, air conditioner, water heater, or sump pump, may need 240-volt AC power to work properly. By using a Samlex Evo 4248SP split-phase inverter charger, you can live off-grid and enjoy reliable power for both your 120-volt and 240-volt appliances. The electricity company delivers power to homes through small pole-mounted transformers. Inside the transformer, there's a primary coil as well as a secondary coil. The secondary coil connects to your main breaker panel on your property using the 3 wires, as shown here. The 2 hot bus bars connect to the 2 ends of the secondary coil, and the neutral bus bar is connected to the middle of the coil. If we take an AC voltmeter and connect one lead to the bus bar or hot wire and the other to the neutral bus bar, we get a reading of 120 volts. If we repeat the same process for the other bus bar, again we get 120 volts. But if we connect the 2 leads of an AC voltmeter to the 2 hot wires, we get a reading of 240 volts. In the first 2 scenarios, we're getting half the power simply because we're using half of the electrical voltage that the transformer can provide, or split phase. But when we connect to the 2 bus bars, we are connecting to the full length of the coil, and therefore we're taking advantage of the full voltage that the transformer can provide. That's how we get 240 and 120 volt electricity in our homes. If you are looking to produce the same split-phase functionality that we get from the grid in your off-grid property, the Evo 4248SP is your best bet. By using a split-phase inverter charger combined with a battery bank and solar panel system, you can achieve your goal of living off-grid with all the conveniences of a modern home. This provides you with clean, renewable energy and a noise-free alternative to using a generator. The Evo 4248SP is efficient, easy to install, and streamlines your electrical system to only needing one device with its all-in-one design. To learn more about the Evo 4248SP, visit us at samlexamerica.com.